So we're getting a whole lot of snow this morning, last night. It's hard to say exactly how much it snowed. It's been drifting. But it was a chore this morning. Snow blowing and everything, and it seems like when I shovel trails, they fill in back in pretty quick. I think this is the most snow we had this winter. This winter's been pretty mild compared to some. You can see here behind the barn where the wind was, where the snow was dropping, how deep it got. Hey, how you guys doing? Yeah, so I gotta get a hay bale in. It's gonna be a job to do that. We'll see. We'll eat breakfast first. But you guys take care for now.